Namaste children, welcome to the YouTube channel of RSV Group of Schools, Class 4th, Maths, Chapter number 3, Addition, Part 4th. Today we will discuss about some word problems. Here is one word problem. The population of village A is 53,628 and village B is 78,426. The population of village A is 53,628 and the village B is 78,426. Estimate the total population of the two villages in nearest 1,000. It's mean we have to find population in rounding of the numbers. So population of village A is 53,628. So first of all we have to do round of the numbers. Previously classes we have learned very well how to round off the numbers, but I am repeating again how to round off the numbers nearest 1,000. When we move to the nearest 1,000, we have to check the ones, tens and 100. When it becomes more than 500, when it becomes more than 500, then we have to add in the 1,000 place and we have to put zeros in the ones, tens and 100. Here 628 is more than 500. So we can put 0 in the ones, tens and 100 and 1 will be added in the 3. So estimate the number is 54,000. Estimate the sum is 54,000. And the second village B population is 78,426. First of all we have to do round of the number nearest 1,000. So we have to check ones, tens and 100. It forms 426. 426 is less than 500. So no change in the 1,000 place. And we have to put zeros on ones place, tens place and 100 place. And no change in 1,000 place. And remaining digit as it is. So round off the number is 78,000. Population of village A. When we round off the number, we get 54,000. And population of village B. When we round off the number, we get 78,000. And we have to find the total population. Total find करने के लिए we have to do add. Add the numbers. 0 plus 0, answer will be 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, answer will be 0. 4 plus 8, 12. 12, 2-digit number. So we have to put 2 in the 1,000 place and 1 carry over. Okay. 1 and 5, 6. 6 and 7, 13. And we have to put commas also. Last 3 digits in ones period. Next 2 digits in 1,000 period. And remaining 1 digit in lakh period. So we can say the estimate population of village A and B is 1,32,000. Yes, next word problem is for a family function, Mr. Malik spent rupees 2,75,600 on food. spent on food 2,75,600. Rupees 1,25,750 on arrangements and decoration, and rupees 96,275 on gifts. How much did Mr. Malik spend for the function? Okay, so Mr. Malik spent on food, spent on arrangements and decorations, and Mr. Malik spent money on gifts. Okay, then the solution is spent on food. How much money he spent? He spent 2,75,600. Spent on arrangements and decoration 1,25,750, and spent on gifts 96,275. How much money Mr. Malik spent for the function? So first of all, when we have to write the numbers, so first of all we have to arrange the place values. So first of all, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. According to the place value, we have to arrange the digits. So how much money he spent? He spent on food, he spent on arrangements and decoration, and he spent on gifts. So total money he spent. What we will do? We have to do addition of these numbers. First of all, we have to arrange with the according to the place value. Then we have to add 0 plus 0 plus 5. Answer will be 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is 2-digit number, so we have to put 2 and 1 carry over. 1 carried over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 is 2-digit number, so we have to write 6 and 1 carried over. Move to the thousand place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Again 17 is 2-digit number, so we have to write 7 and 1 carried over in the 10,000. 1000 place. 10,000 place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. We have to put 9 and 1 carry out. Move to the lakh place. 1 carried out. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. We can say the total amount is 4,97,625. तो what will we will find? हमें क्या find करना था? We have to find how much money Mr. Malik spent for the function. So we can say Mr. Malik spent rupees 4,97,625 for the function. Namaste.